Plant-powered living refers to a dietary and lifestyle choice that emphasizes the consumption of foods derived from plants, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, while minimizing or eliminating the consumption of animal products. This dietary pattern has origins in ancient civilizations, where staples like grains and vegetables were readily available, and meat was often scarce. The health benefits of a plant-based diet were recognized as early as the 1950s, with studies linking a diet rich in plant foods to reduced risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. The emergence of veganism in the late 20th century marked a significant shift in attitudes toward animal products, with its popularity growing rapidly, especially among younger generations. One of the key turning points was the publication of the China study in 2000, which analyzed the health outcomes of over 6,500 rural Chinese subjects, and found that those adhering to a plant-based diet had significantly lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. As of 2020, approximately 10% of the US population follows a vegetarian diet, and 3.8% follow a vegan diet, with younger adults being more likely to adopt these dietary choices. While the evidence suggests that a plant-based diet can lead to improved health outcomes, there are potential drawbacks such as deficiencies in essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and vitamin B12. Nevertheless, the benefits include reduced environmental impact, better animal welfare, and potential economic savings on healthcare. Projections indicate that by 2050, the global demand for plant-based foods is expected to increase by 76%, driven by growing health concerns, sustainability goals, and rising populations in developing countries. To optimize this trend, future research could focus on developing fortified plant-based products to address nutrient deficiencies, while also expanding educational efforts to promote plant-based lifestyles among all age groups.